Assalamu alaikum, my dear friends. Today we are going to discuss about present perfect continuous. So in present perfect continuous tense, we make the present perfect continuous tense with the subject plus have, has, been plus a verb in continuous or ing form. If the subject is I, you, we, they, we use have. If the subject he, she, it, we use has. For example, I have been waiting to see the doctor for 2 hours. You can imagine this lady staying there, so it means that she came to the clinic maybe at 5 o'clock and now it's 7 o'clock. She started waiting at 5, 2 hours have now passed and she is still waiting. So the present perfect continuous tense talk about an action that started in the past and is still going on. In this sentence, we can also say I have been waiting since 5 p.m. The difference between for and sin is that for talks about the amount of time, like 2 hours. Since is used to mention the starting point of the action, like 5 p.m. Here is another sentence. He has been playing tennis since he was a child. He started when he was little. Maybe he was 5 years old and still plays tennis. That tells that 25 now. So he has been playing tennis for 20 years. Or few more example. She has been learning English for 8 months. Since last October. We have been living in this town for a very long time, or since 2000. It has been raining all morning since 4 a.m. Now here the duration is all morning in fixed phrase, like all morning, all day, all week, or so on. We don't use for, but you can say since 4 a.m. if you want to mention the starting point. So that's all about present perfect continuous. Thank you so much.